Hello students, I am Anu Soni and today we are going to learn a lesson. The title of the lesson is Sundari. So students, firstly I will be reading the story, explaining it together. Then we'll look into the word meanings, okay, new words and word meanings, and then we'll discuss question answers of it. So the title is Sundari. Sundari was a big red kite. Big red, white, and blue kite. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. You are beautiful, and I will call you Sundari, he said. Okay, so who made Sundari? Bobby made Sundari. It was very beautiful. It has three colors red, white, and blue. And she smiled at him. What name gave Bobby to her? Sundari, because it was so beautiful. She was so beautiful. One day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. The band was playing music, and everyone was smiling. A merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked too. Now, what happened? One day, Bobby took Sundari to fair. There was a band, they were playing music, and other people was enjoying it. They were smiling. Merry-go-round was also there. Okay, so the kids were enjoying ride also. They were going round and round in the animal. Okay, wooden animal on the wooden animal. And then Bobby found out an open space where he can fly, okay, where he can fly the kite. And Sundari also looked for it. Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Poof! The wind came along. Sundari started to fly up, but she could not go very high. A little dog was holding on to her long tail. It was in his mouth. Now she cannot fly high. Okay, wind came, so she was able to fly little. Okay, not the first time she was not able to fly high. Why? Because this dog, can you see here? She was holding on her tail. Okay, long tails, and it was in this dog's mouth. Bobby shooed the dog away. He shot the dog away. We will try again, Bobby said. This time Sundari leaped up in the air. Now she jumped in the air. She was so happy. She tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her strings. Can you see? It is the string which Bobby is holding. Now she went away up in the sky. Okay, now she don't want to come back. She wants Bobby to leave her strings. Okay, and finally, what Bobby did? Look, she gave a big bang. Okay, big tug. She gave a big tug. She gave a big force, we can say. Bobby had to let her go. Then Bobby let her go. Wee, cried Sundari. Now I can fly as high as I please, said who? Bobby Sundari said that now I can fly as high as I want, as I please, as I will be happy. And away she went. She went up in the air, and then she went up in the. Okay, students. So now we'll have a look at the new words with their meanings. The first word is fair. Can you see this? This is an image of fair. Fun fair we visit. Okay, you can see merry-go-round, clowns, circus is there. People are sitting, they are enjoying there. Train is passing through. Okay, that is fair. Lift means to jump high in the air. Look, how is bunny is doing. Okay, can you see this? Like that. Band, a group of people playing music. Can you see these people are enjoying and they are playing music. Okay, so the group of people who are playing music, that is called band. Merry-go-round. Okay, this is merry-go-round and animal. Can you see wooden animal which is mentioned in the story? Yes, these are wooden animals and people are sitting on it and enjoying it. Smile, an expression that shows you are happy. Can you see this? So happy, okay? So smile is an expression that shows you are happy. Tug, to pull with force. Can you see these three guys? They are pulling something with force, okay? That is called tug. Wind means moving air. Can you see her hair? With the wind, they are moving too. String, now guys, you see here, this is called string. We tie our kite with a string. So, band means a group of people playing music. Dizzying, having a feeling of spinning around. Smile, an expression that shows you are happy. String, a thread. Tug, to pull with force. And wind, moving air. Let's see the question answers. Who made Sundari? Who made Sundari, guys? Bobby made Sundari. Alright. Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Why Bobby called his kite Sundari? Because it was so beautiful, right? So Bobby called his kite Sundari because it was beautiful. Did Sundari fly very high at first? What do you think? No, she did not fly high in the sky very first. Why? Because the dog was holding her tail, holding her tail, because the tail was in his mouth, in dog's mouth. What made Sundari really happy? Sundari was really happy when she was able to fly high in the sky on her own. Okay. So, students, we are stopping here. We'll meet in the next session. I'll be again elaborating any other topic. Okay. Till then, bye everyone.